Hello guys, welcome to my channel No Tension Programming. In this video, we will fix the screen resolution problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. We have three different ways to solve this issue. Starting with first way, go to search and type device manager. Click on display adapters. Inside this, update all the drivers you have shown under display adapters. Select the driver, right click on it, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. The best driver for your device are already installed, so no need to update. Now move towards second way, right click on desktop, click on display setting, under scale and layout, change the scale and display resolution. You have to change your system value from selected value to 150% or 175%. I am changing it to 150%. Display resolution. Changing display resolution from 120 to 1080. You can change according to your system. Keep changes. Now we are following the third step. Third step is open device manager. Click on display adapter. Now you have to uninstall this. First note this driver name. You may have different driver. Write down it. Uninstall this driver. Then right click on it. Click on uninstall device. Then go to Google Chrome and type the name of the driver. Like I have Intel Iris Xe graphic driver. Choose latest version. Click on download. I have already downloaded this. Now click on this driver. Start extracting, then install this driver. After that, your screen resolution problem will be solved.